you guys how you can trade with KuCoin. After registering in KuCoin app, for you to be able to start trading in this app, you have to verify your KYC. You verify your KYC using your ID card or driver's license, depending on your location. After that, for you to be able to start trading with this application, you have to have crypto assets. You can deposit crypto assets. You click deposit for you to be able to deposit crypto from your Binance, Trust Wallet, or another platform that you have crypto assets. You can deposit Litecoin, USDT, BTC, Ethereum, and other coins. But in this case, let's try depositing USDT because we will be using USDT mainly in our trading. Now, our network will be TRC Tron 20. So, after clicking this, what next you have to do is to copy your wallet address, copy this wallet address. You make a transfer from Binance or Trust Wallet or another platform where you have crypto assets. So in case you don't have another platform where you can transfer from, you can switch to P2P trading so that you can be able to buy crypto assets by yourself. And buy USDT, you can buy BTC, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy USDC. So in this case, we will be buying USDT. So what you have to do is to click buy so that you will buy USDT. So when you click buy, you input the amount of USDT that you want to buy depending on your country currency. But in this case, I'll be using Naira. But I want to buy cryptocurrency of 5,000 Naira, that is 5.7 USDT. After that, what I have to do is to click buy now. When I click buy now, the account number of this company or person will appear. So I have to go to my mobile banking app and make the transfer. So after that, I verify that I've made the transfer. This company or individual will release the crypto asset of 5.7 USDT into my KuCoin wallet. So when this crypto asset has been released in my crypto wallet, what I have to do is to go to assets because it will be in my funding wallet. So for me to be able to trade with this 5.7 USDT, I have to change it from funding wallet to trading wallet so that I can be able to trade with it. So what you have to do is to click to funding wallet where this your asset is so that you can be able to switch it over to trading wallet. So what you have to do is to press transfer. You press transfer. After that, you select the amount that you want to use in trading. So if you want to transfer, or you can do that also. After that, you press confirm. You switch from funding to trading wallet so that you can be able to trade with it. So after that, you go to markets so that you will find the available crypto that you can trade using your assets. In this case, let's try trading Bitcoin. You click Bitcoin. We trade Bitcoin using USDT because we bought USDT. That's the reason we'll be using Bitcoin. We'll be using USDT to trade Bitcoin. In this case, for you to be able to trade Bitcoin using USDT, you first of all buy BTC. You buy it and hold it. When the value increases, you sell it and make profit. So what you have to do is to click buy. After following the chart, you click buy. You can buy in limits. You can also buy in the market price. You can buy a stop limit, stop market. Buying limits means that you will set a particular price or value. When the price reaches that value that you set it, it will buy automatically for you. The market price means buying at the price of the moment. The price of the moment of Bitcoin now is 29,015 USDT. That is the price of the moment. When you want to buy limits, you click to limit. You input the value that you want to buy when the price reaches. If you want to buy 1 Bitcoin, when the value reaches 28 USDT, you click buy BTC. When the value of Bitcoin reaches 28 USDT, it will buy automatically for you. So after holding this crypto assets, when you want to sell it when the value increases. You can also sell in limit or in the market price. Assume that we bought Bitcoin when the value was 28,000 USDT. Now I want to sell it when the value reaches 30,000 USDT. So you set the price or value. After that, you impute the total value of Bitcoin that you are holding. You sell it with, you press sell BTC, it will sell automatically for you. So for you to be able to determine when to buy and when to sell, you should study this chart very, very well. Study this chart using indicator, or you can also combine indicators so that you can be able to read it appropriately. You can use 8-hour charts, 1-day charts, 1-week charts, and other charts are also available. There are a lot of indicators available in this KuCoin platform: MOA indicator, EMOA, BOLL, MACD, KDJ, and RSI. But in this case, I think we should use RSI to know when to buy and when to sell. So for you to be able to hold Bitcoin or buy it, you should buy Bitcoin when the RS value is 30 or lower than 30. When you want to sell it, you sell when the RSI value is 70 or greater than 70. Now, RSI value of Bitcoin is 24 into 49, that is 24. So when you buy Bitcoin now, it is likely that you will profit it. You hold it for the main moment. When the value increases, you sell and make profit. That is the essence of trading. The same step is also applicable to all crypto assets. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. On the notification bell so that you will get notified next time I drop videos like this, please. Thank you.